Welcome to AP German. Learning a new language is like discovering a whole new world. Think of it like exploring a cool German Christmas market full of fun surprises. Want to explore Europe, learn about its awesome culture, and make your college application stand out? Then get ready for the AP German Language and Culture course. It's a super fun adventure. Inside the AP German course, what to expect. So, what's up with AP German? This course is your guide to success, mixing language skills with cool cultural facts. You'll get better at communicating in 3 ways: understanding German, talking with others, and sharing your own ideas. Imagine talking about German books, chatting with people in Berlin, or even showing off your own project, all in German. How hard is this course? The AP German exam is kind of tough. It tests how well you read, listen, write, and speak in German, but don't worry. If you work hard and have a good plan, you'll be celebrating your success. Want to do great in this course? Practice every day. Surround yourself with German. Talk with German speakers online, watch German movies, and read German books. And remember, learning new words is super important. Mastering the AP German exam, tips and tricks. Ready to ace the AP German exam? It's a little tough, but also exciting. The exam has 2 parts. Multiple choice questions and stuff you have to write or speak yourself. You'll show off how well you read, listen, write, and speak in German. Here's the secret: practice, practice, practice. Take practice tests, pretend you're taking the real exam, and get used to how it works. Practice speaking by recording yourself or finding someone to talk with in German. And don't forget to learn about German culture. It all goes together. Why AP German? Open doors with your new language skills. Who should take this course? This course is perfect for anyone who loves languages, wants a cool international job someday, or wants to get into a good college. Speaking German opens up lots of opportunities, from studying in another country to working for big companies. Knowing German is like having a magic key that unlocks a treasure chest of cool stuff, awesome jobs, amazing trips, and making friends with people from all over the world. So, pack your bags, grab your dictionary, and get started on this awesome journey.